Wild facts. Meet the yellow mouse, a tiny creature with an unbelievable secret. You won't believe what happens inside its mouth. These little friends are so small they can hide in a tiny crack. Their noses are super strong at smelling yummy seeds. They are also incredibly fast runners. That is like if you could jump over a giant house. These mice are among the tiniest explorers on Earth. They love to build cozy nests out of soft grass while searching for snacks. Most amazingly, their teeth never stop growing throughout their whole entire lives. Which fact was your favorite?